Hello everyone, this is Maureen and welcome back to another day of praying through the darkness. Do you have that one special friend that you know that you could call on when you are stressed, you're in trouble, you need someone to talk to? They are willing to drop everything, everything, and sit with you and just let you vent or rant. Or you're out somewhere and you need someone right away. That friend that you can call and they are willing to drop everything again and come right to your aid. Now, we all have that one special friend, and with the technology that we have nowadays, we can, instantly connect with one another. But many times, even through technology, we don't always get an immediate response. And so we feel alone, adrift, like really nobody cares. But we all know that there is one who definitely is there as Johnny on the spot. No matter where we are in our life, no matter what it is that we're going through, God is always there. All we have to do is call on Him. And that is our discussion for today, being close to Him. The Lord is near to all who call on Him. Yes, to all who call on Him in truth. And that's found in Psalms chapter 145, verse 18. Now, how many times, though, do we, when we're stressed, when we are in an awful situation, no matter what it may be, whether we're at home in our own little room or we're out in the middle of traffic, we're in a restaurant, when we feel that overwhelming sense of, like I said, stress, we need someone right away. How often do we immediately think of God? I'm going to be honest with you. I don't always think of Him first. I truly don't. And that's shame on me, isn't it? And shame on you as well. Because, as I just said, and as the verse reminded us, He is always with us. He is always ready to hear us. He is always ready to offer us comfort, to let us know that we are not alone, to help us to get through that moment of anxiety, stress, loneliness, even anger sometimes, folks. When we just really need to vent a problem that's arisen and we can't keep it in, we've got to just let it explode out there. I don't know about you, but there's been many times in which my husband has been on the really bad receiving end of some anger spells. And that really isn't where I need to share that, is it? I think it would be much better for me to just walk out in the backyard and raise my fist towards heaven and say, God, listen to me for a minute. Because I know that He will. When I start yelling and showing my anger and displeasure with my husband, what do you think his normal reaction is? Yeah, just like in the reverse. If he was doing that to me, my wall comes up, my ears close up, and I'm done. And the same I know happens to him. But that does not happen with God. When I'm feeling stressed and I don't know how to explain myself and He's asking me, are you okay? Are you okay? I can't get the words out. But I can with God. And so we need to truly learn how to call on God first. He's not too busy to listen to us. He's not too busy to come to our aid because, folks, God is, I like that word omnipotent, which means He's everywhere. He sees everything. He knows everything. And so He can handle my problems and your problems and someone else's problems. He can hear all of us and answer all of us and love and comfort and heal all of us at the same time. So there is no need for us to worry about having to stand in line, taking a number. No, God is there immediately. So it just begs the question, why don't we always call on Him first to get us through the next few minutes, to get us over the rough spot, so that we can collect ourselves, so that we can calm down, so that we can gain enough peace to be able to move forward. So let's you and I make a pact. The next time we feel that chaos hitting us, that stress, that anxiety, that anger, to stop. Talk to God first, and then react. Then know that by moving forward, God knows, which we all know He already knows, but by talking to Him, with Him about it first, we can move forward. We can just not feel alone. I guess that's the best way to put it. When I feel isolated and alone, Father, the depths of the pain intensifies. In my sadness, even calling a friend can feel like too much, if there's not that one that will answer me to begin with. But you are always there when I need you. You are closer than a brother or a sister, and you are always at the ready to come to my rescue when I call on you. Like a close, trusted friend, you can read between the lines. There's no need to pretend with you. I couldn't hide the true state of my heart from you, even if I tried. There is no distance too great that you would not cover it. You close the gap between what I feel and the reality of your presence with the ease of your ready comfort. So help me to call to you in my dismay, in my anxiety, in my anger, for I know that you would not hesitate for a moment. Lord, your nearness is my strength. You hold me up with the comfort of your presence. I need you today. Come and blow through the caverns of my soul and bring the light to the darkness within me. Heal my wounds with the salve of your love, for I am totally yours. I love this. Come and blow through the caverns of my soul. Yes, the caverns, those deep, dark places in which we sometimes escape rather than calling out to Him, so that He can let His light shine in there. Expose the darkness. Get rid of whatever it is that is basically destroying our life at the moment. Because when we allow chaos, anxiety, stress, anger to take a hold of us, we are destroying ourselves in that moment. So don't let that happen. Call on the one who loves you the best and is always there, ready to answer you. Thank you so much for joining me today to hear these words that are brought to us from this blue book put out by Broad Street Publishers. Now don't forget, there is a link for you down in the description box if you wish to go and purchase a copy for yourself or as a gift for someone, because remember, the holidays are just around the corner. It'd make a great stocking stuffer. All I ask of each and every one of you today is to please remember, God loves you. Don't ever hesitate to know that He is there waiting for you to talk to Him. As always, folks, be the light out there in the darkness for someone today, because you never know. Could be your special light, that light that God just shined through the caverns of your own life. Let them see that. Let them know that God is there, not only for you, but for them as well. I love you best, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.